Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Interesting Pie. Today we are gonna make a chocolate shake. These are the ingredients: sugar, chocolate, mini sticks, ice cream, and milk. So let's get started. First, we are going to open the chocolate and we're going to put an amount of 12 pieces inside our shake. We're gonna break them up to pieces so it will be easier to blend. Break. The more you break it up, the more it will be easier. And done. Now let's put some sugar. If you like a lot of sugar, you could put 2 teaspoons, but we are only gonna put 1. Now let's put some milk. We're gonna put a decent amount of 2 cups because we're just making 2 cups and we don't want extra shake or it will go to waste. Second glass. And pour. Now let's put a different flavor of chocolate to bring in a little taste. And we're gonna break this also. It will be easier to blend. Now let's put some ice cream. Let's put 1 big scoop and dump. Let's put a little more. Now let's blend the shake. Put the blender on the blending thingy. And blend. And done. Now let's pour it into our glass. First ice cubes. Now let's put some ice cream in. A big scoop of vanilla. Don't worry, the ice cream won't drown. It knows how to swim. Now let's put chocolate. This already looks delicious, but it could use some decorations. Let's put some mini sticks on it. And it's not going inside the ice cream, so we're just gonna put it in the milk and hope that it doesn't fall down or sink. Now we also want to put little chunks of chocolate on it, so let me just break them into pieces and let's put it on. There we go, our chocolate shake is ready. I think it looks pretty delicious. What do you think?